Ever wondered why the Joying 15.1-inch car stereo makes Jeeps and Rams feel brand new? The secret's inside. Ever felt like your factory radio was fighting against you instead of helping? Static audio, clunky menus, and a screen smaller than your phone. It's enough to make every drive frustrating. Been there? Drop a comment if your stock stereo has ever made you rage tap the buttons. Let's talk about a smarter, smoother, and way more fun upgrade. Deadlines, road trips, and constant navigation stress. Your dashboard should reduce chaos, not add to it. But outdated systems create more distraction than direction. Imagine if there was a way to modernize your Jeep or Dodge Ram with a massive, crystal-clear screen, plug-and-play simplicity, and cable-free freedom. Sounds like a fantasy? Stick with me. This head unit changes everything. Meet the Joying JY-JP108T4 15.1-inch car stereo, the cable-free giant that makes your Jeep or Dodge Ram feel futuristic overnight. Designed with a Tesla-style vertical screen, it transforms your cabin into a modern command center. Installation? Plug and play. No cable cutting, no drama. One Wrangler owner said it literally felt like driving a new truck the moment I turned it on. Powered by Android, it supports wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, so your phone pairs instantly for navigation, Spotify, or hands-free calls. The massive IPS touchscreen, 1920 by 1080, makes maps pop with clarity, while the built-in DSP and Equalizer deliver audio so clean you'll hear notes you didn't know your speakers could produce. Bonus: steering wheel controls and backup camera support are fully integrated, keeping safety and convenience intact. Add GPS with offline maps, dual antennas for strong signals, and a generous 64 gigabytes of storage, and you've got a system that works as hard as you do. Keep reading. I'll share one overlooked feature that makes road trips smoother than ever. So what does this mean for you behind the wheel? Efficiency, focus, and pure driving joy. Instead of juggling apps and squinting at tiny factory screens, imagine cruising with a cinematic 15.1-inch display that feels straight out of a luxury EV. One car audio expert called it a game-changer for modernizing older Jeep and Ram interiors. An industry analyst praised it as a head unit that rivals premium brands at a fraction of the cost. Influencers love the Tesla-style vibe, saying it transforms the cabin into a showcase build. And everyday users echo the hype. A Jeep owner shared, "Navigation is smooth, CarPlay connects automatically, and Bluetooth calls are crystal clear." Another Ram driver said, "Installation was simple, the sound blew me away, and the backup camera is a lifesaver." See why thousands can't stop talking about this upgrade. It's not just entertainment. It's peace of mind, cleaner dashboards, and safer driving rolled into one. Which feature would save your day? Wireless CarPlay, big screen clarity, or plug-and-play simplicity? Comment below. I'd love to hear. Here's the deal. Limited stock means the fastest drivers grab the tech advantage first. Thousands of Jeep and Ram owners have already leveled up their dashboards, and you don't want to be left in the rear view. Secure your Joying JY-JP108T4 today and unlock the upgrade that makes every ride smoother, safer, and way more stylish. Bonus: click now to discover a hidden feature that turns long drives into effortless adventures. Don't just watch. Jump in and transform your ride today.